Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing my first ever mukbang video. Now mukbang is a Korean term for like a eating program or eating show. And I'll keep today's video very short and sweet. Sweet being the key word because I'll be eating gummy bears. It's about the only thing I can find in the house right now. So here we go. Gummy bears taste really good, very sweet. It's a nice quick snack. I really like them. Now there's many different flavors, sizes, shapes, gummy worms, gummy bears, gummy candy, sort of these type of jelly snacks. And sometimes the flavor can correspond to what the candy actually looks like when they're like fruit flavors. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'll have more soon. Ciao.